Hello everyone, my name is Kemi Tayo. Today we'll be discussing naming numbers and place value up to millions. To begin with, what do we mean by place value? Place value tells you the position of every digit in any given number. Now the position of these digits helps us to name the numbers correctly. What do I mean? Given a number such as 1527, how do I name it? Let's write out my place value first, starting with unit, tens, hundreds, and thousands. I put the numbers right under them to have 7, 2, 5, and 1. Now with this, I can read my number as 1,527. The number seems small, yes. Now let's look at something much bigger. 2500483. Quite big, right? Yes. We write the place value starting from unit. You have unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and the million. Now, having done that, we put our numbers right under them, starting with the unit. 3, 8, 4, 0, 0, 5, and 2. Having done this, the reading becomes easier. So we go 2 million. Look at it, the 2 is under the M, so it says 2,500,483. That's it. Now, having these numbers given to us, sometimes it is given in words and you have to interpret it in numbers. Take for example, you have in words 5,280,619. The first thing you have to do is to note the place value of the number you have read. The first one says 5 million, which tells you that your place value is going to be from the unit to the million. So once again, you write them out. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, million. Now, we're going to take the numbers one after the other, write them in the right position, and fill up the remaining spaces with zeros. Starting with 5, we have 5 million, which tells you that the 5 should be placed under the million. You write your 5 and you fill out with zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. After 5 million, you have 280,000. 200,000. That tells you it's under the hundreds of thousands position. So you put your 2 right there and fill up with zeros. 80,000. That's the position of the tens of thousands. 80. And then fill up with zeros. Then you have 600. 600. What's the position? That's good. 100. You put the 6 under your hundreds position and fill up with 0. And then you have 19. Just put it down like that. 19. Tens and unit. Now let's add up these numbers together. You have in the unit place 9, in the tens place 1, in the hundreds place 6, in the thousands place 0, the tens of thousands place 8, hundreds of thousands place 2, and in the millions place you have 5. Reading our numbers correctly, we group them in threes, starting from the right. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and the rest of it. When you do this, it makes it easier to read. And when reading, you pause as you see the comma. So this is read as 5,280,619. We have successfully written out the number as it is supposed to be. Now, I want to clarify something very simple before I move on today. When we say place value, it is different from the actual value of the digits in a number. The place value tells you the position, the value tells you the worth. Let's go back to the answer we got a few minutes ago and ask, what is the place value of 8 in that answer? If you look very clearly, you will see it is under the tens of thousands. So the place value of 8 is tens of thousands. Now, what is the value of the digit 8? Simple, 80,000. The value of the digit 8 is 80,000. You can practice on your own with any book you come across, and I hope that what you have learned today will help you to solve a whole lot more in naming numbers and writing numbers, either in words or in figures. Till I see you next time, I hope you have learned something good. Bye.